I am Dan Syzmanski, Operating Officer with Synergy CT. Here at Synergy CT, we use a team approach as we look at opportunities for our partners to deliver communication technologies. First off is a quick response from our account team manager. This person is basically the quarterback for our partner through the opportunity exploration. You can expect to meet at your site, whether it be the site we're actually going to integrate into or your existing facility, to talk about a new facility. The account manager will incorporate the use of engineering as needed, so oftentimes the early conversations will include a design engineer, again trying to harness out everything that the customer or partner might be asking for from a use of their communication technology. After the initial meetings, we'll come back, we'll generate some proposals, we will ferret out different solutions that might fit your need, and we'll come back and we'll propose. From that point you go into a kind of a refined process, that is making sure that we're all on the same page as far as a proposal that we're offering and the solutions and systems and functionality that you're looking for. Make sure we're all in line there. Once a partner approves the proposal, internally we'll come back and we'll review that system and solution. Make sure we understand the ins and outs of how that will be integrated into their environment. At this time we'll bring in another team member. A project manager will start to get in the conversations, and that's all about getting everything from the approval through the installation complete. Now the project manager becomes a quarterback, and he will bring in the resources needed to take the installation through to a successful state. Once the PM has been introduced to the partner, the PM and the partner's point of contact will stay abreast of any kind of schedule changes as we look at other trades and the influence on schedules. Sometimes those things are a little bit in flux. It could be quite frustrating for partners, so we like to stay abreast of that and try to be flexible as possible so that we come in and right at the end finish it up and get them get their assets installed. Once a PM has a date and resource alignment, they will meet with the internal team and start the install team preparation. That is making sure all of equipment is here, making sure we understand the ins and outs, making sure we have the smalls list captured, making sure that our internal teams understand what the customer is asking for, so when they get onto the customer site they know how to deliver that solution. Upon actual starting the install team will come on site. They'll start the integration process. They'll get all their fun stuff put in, cables, mounts, now eventually screens, displays, and other technology needed to make a solution complete. Once we've done our internal test and commissioning, we'll generally test with the partner themselves, and then the final step is really training and introducing a service so that you have someone to call if your need arises after the installation. And that's pretty much how we do it as a team.